अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज जो हम चैप्टर पढ़ेंगे वो है चैप्टर डीएनए और मेटाबॉलिज्म के बारे में। पहले पार्ट में हम 25 एमसीक्यूज डीएनए के पढ़ेंगे और उसके बाद मेटाबॉलिज्म के पढ़ेंगे। लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट एमसीक्यूज। डीएनए इज a polymer of option C nucleotides. DNA is a polymer of nucleotides. Number 2. Sugar present in DNA is deoxyribose. Option B. Nitrogen bases in DNA are option B A, T, G, C. Nitrogenous bases in DNA are A, T, G, C. Option B. Purine bases are adenine and guanine. Adenine and guanine. Pyrimidine bases are cytosine and thymine. Option B. DNA double helix model was proposed by Watson and Crick. Option C. Complementary base pairing rule was given by option C. Chargaff. Chargaff. A pair with thymine with T by option B 2 hydrogen bonds. G pairs with C. Guanine pairs with cytosine by 3 hydrogen bonds. DNA strands are option B anti-parallel. DNA replication is semi-conservative. Option C. Enzyme that unwinds DNA helicase. Option C. Enzyme that joins Okazaki fragments. Option B. DNA ligase. Short DNA fragment on logging strand. Option C. Okazaki fragments. DNA polymerase synthesizes DNA in direction. Option B is right option. Template for transcription is DNA. C. Option C. RNA contains base. Option B uracil. Genetic code is option C universal. Start codon is AUG. Option C. Stop codon is UAA. UAA. Option B. Location of DNA in eukaryotes. Option C nucleus. Human DNA is packed into option B chromosomes. Functional unit of DNA is option C gene. DNA carries information for option C proteins. DNA replication occurs in S phase. Option C. अभी हम पढ़ेंगे पार्ट बी जो मेटाबॉलिज्म के बारे में है। इसके 25 मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज ये है। मेटाबॉलिज्म इज all chemical reactions in cell. Option C. All chemical reactions in cell. Anabolism involves option B. Synthesis. Catabolism involves option B. Breakdown. ATP is option D. Energy currency. ATP contains option C, 3 phosphates. Site of glycolysis, option C, cytoplasm. Glycolysis breaks glucose into C, pyruvic acid. Option C, pyruvic acid. Glycolysis produces net ATP. Option B, 2. Krebs cycle occurs in mitochondrial matrix. Krebs cycle releases carbon dioxide. Option B. Electron transport chain occurs in option C, inner mitochondrial membrane. Maximum ATP is produced in ETC. Option C. Total ATP from one glucose molecules 36 to 38. Option C. NAD plus is hydrogen carrier. FAD is involved in Krebs cycle. Photosynthesis is anabolic. Photosynthesis is anabolic. Respiration is catabolic. Oxygen is required in aerobic respiration. Fermentation occurs in cytoplasm. Option B. Enzymes speed up reactions by lowering activation energy. Option B. Metabolic pathways are stepwise. Option B. Coenzymes are option B. Organic molecules. ADP plus pi forms ATP. ATP releases energy by hydrolysis. Metabolism maintains life processes. Option C.